How is it looking, guys? Ooh, we had a big snowstorm and everything got a little bit wild here. We had snow, but it's all pretty much melted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, that's the reason why we haven't uploaded this.
Yeah, that's the reason we haven't.
Cold
It's very cold.
and here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, something came and ate. Oh, something ate.
The fire.
Most of the food is
The fire broke.
Oh, that broke. Remember, because it was not fireproof, like put in the fire, right? That's okay. We can make a new one, right?
Yeah.
That's okay.
There.
What happened?
How did it? There's a rock in there.
Oh, a rock?
There was a rock in there. Yeah, we put a rock in it.
You put the rock in it?
Yeah.
Okay, the rock is still in there and the food is gone. Something must have came and had a little breakfast.
It literally
Or dinner.
stepped down.
Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Come, we can pick this garbage up too. Put it in the bucket.
Should I get it because I have gloves?
It's okay. There we go. We're cleaning up. We're cleaning the yard. There we go. All right. No, where the bottle goes to the recycling, the rest is garbage. Oh, does it fit? Wait, we can lift up the lid too.
No,
You can lift.
just fish it in.
You,
I know what to do. I know.
there we go. And the other things go in there. And the other
What
one.
about this?
Oh yeah, there you can put that in there. There we go. And the rest can go in there.
Wasn't there food in there?
Huh?
Remember before there was Oh! We don't go under the water. Just go under the water. Because then that's where the wave won't get you.
Yes.
Yeah,
that's
but you
true.
won't have enough air. It depends how big it is. If it's not that big.
Like it's really strong wind, so we're not going close to the water, obviously, today.
Oh, it's really big. Oh my god. Pick